Halo, nama saya Gadis Anjay Kalimas, jurusan Komputer Sains Akuntansi, lulusan 2022 dengan NIM 22018082996. Saat ini saya akan menjelaskan ujian akhir semester untuk pelajaran Testing and Implementation. Berikut rinciannya, selamat menikmati. Pertama, ada CAD Manage Execution, Testing Process, and Testing Team. Pertama kita buat identify-nya dulu. Identify test condition, determine what can be test and prioritize. Kedua kita buat desainnya, ketiga kita build, keempat execute, dan kelima compare. The testing consists of several activities commonly referred to as the testing life cycle. In some practice, test activity can be done formally and informally. Yang kedua, the next activity, kita build a test case which can be divided into two groups, manually and automatically. Manually, creating test case with produce a test procedure, which is the step of running the test with the required test input or test data information along with the expected output. Whereas in automated testing, a test case is made in form of a test script. The test script is data or construction in the form of formal syntax that can be executed by automated testing tool. A test script can be implemented one of more test cases, navigation, preparation, and cleaning procedure verification. After the test script, procedure is cut and is equipped with the required input and output. The test can be carried out. In manually executing the test, the tester follows the procedure that has been made with a combination of inputs and checks the output. The results and observation notes are recorded manually. Yang keempat, the last activity of the test is compare the test result with the expected result. The comparing process can be carried out while the testing process is taking place, such as checking messages that appear on the screen. And when testing has been complete, by comparing change to existing data. There are three groups of data. Pertama, list of activity in the stage of the software testing process. Ada closure, evaluating asset criteria reporting, implementation execution, analysis and design, plan and control. Yang kedua, list of documentation in the software testing process. Ada test plan, test cases, test summary report, bug detail report, bug summary report, test log, bug detail report. Yang ketiga, list of people involved in the project, stakeholders. Ada developers, managers, customer and users, business analysis, developers, upper management executive, marketing or sales manager, project manager, and technical support manager. Based on data above, please answer the following question. Draw a diagram in the correct order for software testing process, and look for comparison with these two STLC models on the internet. Explains the difference and similarity. This is what is the SDLC. You can read And this is what is STLC. STLC is the testing process that is executed in a well-planned manner. The test life cycle is requirement analysis, test planning, test development, test experiment setup, test executing, and closure. Itu tadi penjelasan mengenai perbedaan antara STLC dan SDLC. Yang kedua, based on PTXYZ process model, at what is activity carried, why do you need monitor project, how do you explain the difference for control activity. PTXYZ use an internet system to store data and support the business activities. However, the company internal system has several weaknesses. The weakness is that there are several business processes that not are integrated with the company core system. Also, the calculation and additional budget business process are still done manually via email. Why a project monitor is important? Because the data gathered to come out with the intelligent decision. Here are some question answer to project monitoring. Selanjutnya bisa baca sendiri. Why project monitoring? Because first, we have to assess the project results. Second, we have to improve project planning, process planning. Third, we have to promote learning. And fourth, we have to understand stakeholder perspective. Fifth, to ensure accountability. How do you explain the difference with the control activity? Controlling is the process of measuring performance and taking action to ensure desired result. Based on the results for observation and interviews during the study, there were leaks in the PTXYZ control system. When PMO released its budget, there is not budget approved carried out by vice president or budget controllers. This can pose a leaks and internal control system. From one of these activities, control every business activity needs to be analyzed to develop a system that is more effective and efficient. Project 1B, here is some condition. Project A until project A. I choose project B because ways of seeking to gain competitive advantage include offering lower price, offering clearly superior products at above average price, delivering products more quickly. Number 3, what is testing? Under static testing, code is not executed, rather manually code requirement document and design document to find errors. Example over document, ada requirement specification, ada design document, ada source code, ada test plan, ada test cases, ada test script, ada help or user document, ada web page content. What is dynamic testing? Dynamic testing is a code is executed It checks for functional behavior of software performance, of memory, CPU usage, and overall performance of the system. Hence, the name is dynamic. Perbedaan antara static dan dynamic testing. Ini mind map-nya, system implementation. Nomor 4, terima kasih karena sudah menyaksikan video saya. Mohon maaf bila ada kata-kata yang kurang berkenan di hati para hadirin sekalian. Terima kasih juga kepada teman-teman dan Pak Testing and Implementation. Semoga bermanfaat. Mohon maaf bila saya menjelaskannya terlalu banyak dan tidak semua saya jelasin. Terima kasih.